Hello, welcome to Quick Pallet Maker. In this example, we will explain how to create pallets with the same type of box in which some layers are standing right side up and the other layers, the boxes are flipped. We start by calculating box on pallet. We will change the units to inches and pounds by right-clicking the bottom right corner, selecting inches and pounds, change the pallet type. We want a 48 by 40, 70 inches high, and we will add the dimensions of the box. In this case, it's 12 inches by 8 inches by 14 inches with a weight of 6 pounds. We add the box, we select it, and then we make sure the length and width are selected. They can be rotated, can be flipped, and their sides can be not necessarily right side up. Okay, so we have this, and we go tools, we calculate, and we will see different options. The first three options, the boxes are right side up. We have lengthwise, transversal, and optimized, which happens to be exactly like the lengthwise option because it's 100% efficiency. Then we have the boxes on their sides. We have lengthwise, transversal, and optimized. And then we have on the other side too, same. And the last palette is a mix, is an optimal mix. You can see that we have 4 layers of the boxes right side up, and then we have one layer with the boxes that are flipped. Okay. And we have a total of 91, and it's more than the rest. Okay, let's say that the customer or the warehouse wants a different type of pallet in which instead of them being 4 layers standing up and one on its sides, it will be 3 layers standing up and 3 on their sides. So we select one of the layers that's standing up, and then we choose duplicate, edit, duplicate, and we do it 3 times. We can do it also with a command. Now we grab the layer that's on its sides. This one, sorry. Okay, we do the same. We duplicate 3 times. And now we have these 6 layers that we can select. We'll select the 6 layers. We use mix palette. We will go. Once we have this, we will have a new palette. Okay, that has 6 layers. 3 of them are standing up and 3 of them are on their sides. You can choose the report, detail report, and we can see how it looks. Thank you.